I'm sweating like crazy.
It's a nice change for the hot sunny Malta. Wow! This is the strangest place.
I can't wait to take a bite.
Hi everyone!
Hello.
And welcome from Malta, Valletta. We don't have any specific plan for today. We're just gonna walk around. We've got only a map with a few points which we want to see today, but we don't have any big plans to explore today. We're just gonna enjoy the beautiful weather. As you can see, it's about 29 degrees, so it's really hot.
I'm sweating like crazy.
Yeah, but it's really beautiful. I love it. Valletta, but I need to say it's quite nice because of the shadow. Malta is at the moment about 29 degrees, so it's really hot. So it's a nice change for the hot sunny Malta. Malta is located in the middle of Mediterranean Sea, as you can see behind me, and it's right next to Sicily. We got to this viewpoint also from the park, so you can see the whole sea and also the city behind me, and it's really beautiful. What I've noticed here in Malta, the city, Valletta, it's really yellow, so all the buildings are yellow, and they love monuments, because only on this square I noticed like 4 of them.
Our tour in Valletta started in the Republic Street, where you have like a lot of shops, bars and opportunities to spend your money. And now we are hiding from the hot sun here in the upper Barrakka gardens.
We are in Upper Barrakka Gardens, where the saluting battery is taking place every day at 12 o'clock and also at 4 p.m. Of course, you can get right to the saluting battery, but you need to pay a fee, which is €3 per person and €1 for a kid. But as I said, you can also enjoy it from the garden we are currently in, and you can enjoy it from the balcony, and then it's for free.
One of the most interesting things about Valletta and the whole Malta island is that all the buildings are built with this Maltese stone. So the people from here were thinking, how can we have a little bit color here? And that's why they started to paint their doors and their balconies in different kind of colors. The balconies especially are built in this Arabian style, which you can see also behind us. And this is also one of the things we really love about Valletta and Malta, because here you have like so many cultures mixed, like Italian, Arabian and Maltese culture. It's really amazing. Hi everyone and welcome on our second day here in Valletta. So we still have some things on our to-do list what we want to visit here in Valletta, and one of these things is the lower Barrakka gardens where we are at the moment. So it's also really beautiful like the upper Barrakka gardens which we visited yesterday. And afterwards we are going to the harbor and we'll explore the area there. For dinner to get to the Hard Rock Cafe, and I use Google Maps to get there, and I think there should be definitely an easier path to get there, because now we are walking like 15-20 minutes. We are crossing the streets from left to right and from right to left, and we are still not there, but I think we are on the way. And we also saw that there is an elevator how you can get quickly to the upper town, and that's also something we definitely will use when we come back.
This is the strangest place for Hard Rock Cafe I ever saw, but we are finally here.
Usually it's really good located,
yeah,
but this is really strange. I mean, when you get here it's good, everything makes sense and there are people around, but really the way to get here, it was
quite strange.
Yeah, definitely. Cheers. Wow, that's sweet, but it's good. So for dinner we decided to eat some delicious burgers here in Hard Rock Cafe. I ordered myself a double-decker cheeseburger, and Sara has a local burger. And if you may ask yourself, why aren't they eating some local food? We made a vlog about this and we will link it below so you can find it there. But now it's Hard Rock time and I can't wait to take a bite. It's getting dark in Valletta, so that means that the day is coming to an end, and also our 2 days tour in Valletta are coming to an end. But definitely not our Malta tour, because we have much more days here and we'll explore all of the different places.
We hope you did like our vlog, how we like the Valletta. The city is really beautiful, so if you're gonna be somewhere here near, for example like Sicily, you definitely need to visit the Valletta because it's amazing. If you liked our vlog, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button.